Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video's a little bit different from my other videos in that this is a POV style video that I wanted to put up. I wanted to actually take this video and maybe the next one to test out the Meta glasses that I have on. I am having a really hard time doing POV videos because well, first of all, I don't have the equipment. I don't have a nice microphone that picks up on the engine and the exhaust notes. I know some people put the microphone in the back of the engine, in the back engine, where you can actually hear the engine, and then some people mount it near the exhaust as well. So I will think about doing a setup like that, but for this video I want to go up to Mulholland Drive. We'll see how long these Meta glasses stay with me, because I know the battery goes out when you shoot longer videos. So I will we'll see. I'm driving up Cahuenga Boulevard. That will take me, there's a turn off here up ahead that'll take me to Mulholland, and this is just an easy drive. I'm not planning on going fast. I think certain parts of Mulholland, they put speed bumps up there for the residents. I guess a lot of people were complaining about people bringing their sports cars up there, so I can't go that fast anyways, and nor would I want to, because, you know, there's a lot of tourists up there that will walk around. You can see certain parts of it, you can see the Hollywood sign, so I wouldn't want to go that fast up there anyways. The car is just about warmed up. I like to let it warm up for a good 20 minutes before I start to kind of rev it out. So I will see you guys when we get up there. Got the Hollywood Tours bus. There's always tour buses up here in the hills. Some of the best views up here. I've learned my lesson to keep the windows up. It's too much wind noise with the Meta glasses. it picks up way too much wind noise from the windows being down. And up through those gates is the famous Runyon Canyon. If you've ever been to LA and done any kind of urban hiking, it is one of the most popular hiking spots here in the city. It's right now I'm in the Hollywood Hills, so Runyon Canyon it cuts through certain parts of the Hollywood Hills. I have to keep starting the meta glasses because excuse me, because they cut out after 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the longest that I can keep the glasses going. See, they have speed bumps up here. These never used to be up here. I'm assuming there's been accidents with either cyclists or pedestrians that caused them to put the speed bumps in. You can hear the noisy brakes. Oof. And this up ahead is the Universal Outlook. It looks over the entire San Fernando Valley. A lot of people go and sit and look at the view. I have to kind of keep my eyes on the road, but as you can see, there's really good views of parts of LA up here. Some of these homes have amazing views. There's a lot of houses here in LA that are built into the side of mountains, and they kind of stagger the homes up the side of the hills. And then there's also homes that are built on stilts that jut out from the top of hillsides. And they have some of the most amazing views in, I would say, the world. It's really amazing. And it's really amazing how some of them have withstood earthquakes, because we're an earthquake country, and there's been some pretty major earthquakes here in California, well, in LA, and I do not know how some of these homes are still standing. let's speed it up a little bit, because there's not many residences around here, and plus I don't want to hold up traffic. There's people behind me, and a lot of people bring their cars up here to kind of mess around, but I don't like to hold up traffic. Alright, so I'm pulled over. I'm here at the Mulholland Scenic Overlook here on Mulholland Drive. The contrast of the car looks great against the sand. I think it looks great. And then I want to show you guys the view up here. The camera does not do this view justice. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. You can see homes off in the distance on the hillsides and down in the canyons. But it's absolutely gorgeous up here. This side of Mulholland is a little bit more shrubby than certain parts. There's other parts that are a little bit more, not as, I guess, wooded. And the shrubbery is a little bit more sparse, but yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous up here. All right. All right, the sun's going down. This is the end of the video. If you've made it this far, please, and you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I wanted to try out the Meta glasses. I'm gonna probably take the car up to this area called the Snake here in LA. It's a famous windy road. It's almost like the Tail of the Dragon on the East Coast. Not as big and not as long, but it's it's a fun place for people to take their cars. I know they shut it down for a while, I think because a lot of people were getting into accidents, and a lot of the residents were getting mad. And they just recently opened it up a few days ago, and I think somebody already got into an accident, if I'm not mistaken. So I will take the car up there. I'll use the meta glasses, see if I can get some good footage. Maybe go to the beach. I do, and I guess this is my informal review of the meta glasses, but I do like the quality, but I am not able to get a good view of the entire dashboard and the, I'm trying to describe it. I'm trying to get the whole picture. If you've ever seen Tedward, his YouTube name is Tedward. He takes some really fantastic shots, and I don't even think he uses meta glasses. I think he has some kind of mount, like a belt or something, and then mounts a camera on his forehead. I've tried that too, and it just does not work. I cannot get quality wide angle shots for videos, so I need to figure that out. And like I said, I want to get some microphones and some different equipment so that I can take some better POV shots. Again, if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.